The AI governance topic has gone global, and the US, the EU, and China are all trying to answer the same question. Who gets to decide how agents get managed and under what rules? But they're not landing in the same place. The US is pushing toward innovation. The EU is pushing toward rights and risk. China is pushing toward control. And somewhere in the middle of all that, your business is going to have to operate. And the pressure is on to figure this out quickly. That's what makes this all very real. AI governance isn't just a government problem. It's not just a legal team problem. And it's definitely not some abstract policy debate happening far away from your day-to-day business. It's going to shape the tools you use, how your data is handled, how your workforce adopts AI, what risks you carry, and what standards you'll eventually be expected to meet, whether you helped write those standards or not. The issue is literally shaping geopolitics. And now, with companies like Palantir putting more weight behind AI governance, the signal is getting louder. The heavyweight enterprise world is starting to say the same thing. ByteBrain's been focused on through our own Agent OS governance approach. Basically, you can't bolt accountability on later and just hope it works. You need to understand what your AI systems are doing, who owns them, where the risks live, and how humans stay in the loop before everything starts scaling. And while the debate of requirements has accelerated, it's important to understand that AI governance isn't about slowing everything down. It's about making sure we don't lose control while trying to move faster. Because if your organization doesn't define how AI gets governed, someone else eventually will. Maybe it's a regulator or a vendor. It could be the platform itself. Or maybe it's a lawsuit, a customer complaint, or a crisis nobody saw coming. And by then, you're not shaping the future anymore. You're reacting to it. That's why you've got to pay attention and pull in the folks who are actively engaged in the issue and actually doing this at scale. This episode is the final chapter in our governance question arc, and it asks something every business leader should be thinking about right now. When the future of AI gets written, are you helping shape it? Or are you just waiting to find out what rules you'll be handed? And if you're working on AI governance inside your own organization, or you're just trying to figure out what the bigger enterprise players are doing, talk to us at ByteBrain. This is where we live every day, not in theory, in the real-world mess of AI adoption, governance, accountability, risk, and business value. And that's exactly what this episode of Reflect is about. Listen to the latest drop titled, "The US, the EU, and China are writing three different futures. Only one wins." Broadcasting now on Reflect with Ed Fazio, where we're telling the future. Are you in it? Visit reflectpodcast.com and tell us your story.